Today, we will explore our module, WooCommerce POS PayPal Terminal Reader. It allows the POS user to accept card payment from their customer using the PayPal method. This plugin helps the store owner easily integrate the PayPal payment gateway into their POS. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. We are at the admin panel, and from here we will navigate to one-by-one options to see the configuration part of the WooCommerce POS PayPal Reader payment. So from here, WooCommerce, we will navigate to Setting. And you can see the payment. From here you can see the option POS PayPal Terminal Gateway. We will click on the Manage button to configure the payment. Here we are at the configuration part. Here we have the option Enable or Disable this module. And the next option is Default Gateway. By clicking on the checkbox, make the PayPal Reader Terminal as a default PayPal main gateway for the point of sale. And the next option is Title, which is added by the admin. The next option is Description, which is shown at the time of the payment and the test mode. So we are at the demo. So I have enabled the test mode. The next option is Client ID. So here the PayPal client ID is entered by the admin. And the next option is Auth Redirect URL. So afterwards, we will navigate to the point of sale. So, from here we will navigate to Settings. Now you can see the payment. By default, the PayPal terminal is generated. From the POS PayPal terminal we can edit it from here, by clicking on the Edit button. So you can see the Edit payment method. Now we will navigate to the outlet. For that, we will move towards the point of sale and click on the outlets. So, you can see the outlet of the POS. So, by clicking on the Edit button, you can see the Edit Outlet options. Of here we have the option Outlet Name. The next option is Outlet Address. The next option is Select Status, which is currently active. And the next option is Outlet City. The next option is Outlet Postcode. The next option is Select Invoice Template, which is Invoice. And the next option is Additional Payment Option. This is basically the payment method assigned to the POS PayPal terminal. And the next option is Outlet Country. The next option is Outlet State. So now, to connect to the server, we need to navigate to the point of sale. And from there we will navigate to Setting. We will navigate to Setting. And from there we will navigate to the node server to connect the server to the POS panel. Here you can see we will navigate to Setting. And from there we will navigate to the node server to connect the server to the POS panel. Here you can see the Start button or Stop button. So here by default I have started the server, and now we will log into the POS. Here we are at the POS terminal. And from here the POS can sell the product to the customer. Now you can see the icon PayPal, which is connected to the server, and it is in the blue. And by default, if it is not connected to the server, it will be displayed as a red. Now you can see we are at the POS PayPal terminal. From here you can see the website URL and the username. And here we need to enter the password to connect the PayPal terminal. So you can see the device is connected. And from the PayPal terminal the POS can make the payment as the customer can select the particular product. So here you can see the product I have been selected. And by clicking on the POS PayPal terminal. So you can see the button Confirm Payment and generate the invoice. So you can see at the PayPal payment terminal. A pop-up appears, and by clicking on the chart, it will redirect to the three options Successfully Paid, Cancel by the customer, and the Technical Issue. We will move to this option one by one, and the first option we will select Successfully Paid by tapping on the Successfully Paid. You can see the invoice will be generated here. Now the customer selected the product, so you can see at the PayPal terminal. Here is a pop-up waiting to pay the amount. On clicking on the charge, we have already gone through the successfully paid option. The next option is canceled by the customer. On tapping on the cancel by customer, you can see the payment is canceled, and the reason for the cancellation is also represented on this screen. So now click on the OK. Now at the POS terminal you can see error payment was cancelled by the customer, so we will click on the Pay Again button. Now the pop-up is appeared on the PayPal terminal application. On clicking on the charge, you can see the third option, technical error. So the technical error with the particular reason is appeared on the application. So, on clicking on the OK button, a pop-up is generated on the first terminal. That payment was paid to technical error. So this process enables the POS user to accept the card payment from the customer via the payment terminal. It allows a smooth and efficient payment experience, which enhances customer satisfaction and improves operational efficiency. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com.